Hello everyone. Today I will discuss process of communication. What is process of communication? Process of communication means whenever we are doing the communication, that communication needs a process to move on. Okay, what is that process? In that process, we need some information, we need some process that is called information, sender, channel, message, receiver, response, and feedback. Okay, these are the components we require for the process of communication. You can see in this diagram that is from the source, then it is the encoding, then it is the channel, then it is the decoding, then it is the receiver. Okay, this is the process for the process of communication. You can see it in a better way. That is called information, sender, channel, then the message. That message has been given into the two parts, that is called message sent and message received, then receiver, then response, and ultimately it is the feedback. Okay, now what is the process of communication? In the process of communication, there is the two parties, one is sender, one is receiver, who are doing the communication in the common frame of reference. That is, you can say it is the consist of a language or code. Now we need the channel for the pursue the communication. Sometimes this channel requires technical language, speaking in an informal manner. That channel will have to move on. When a sender transmits a message, he expects a response. Suppose definitely when we are passing a communication, we need a response, and that response is called the feedback. That what is actually basically it is the feedback. Feedback is the good kind of communication in between sender and receiver. And we can say that immediate feedback is possible only in the face-to-face communication. Whenever we are doing the in front of face-to-face communication, it is better that we can get a good feedback. Okay. Now question is, what is the receiver's function in the process of communication? The receiver attends to the message, decodes the word, the symbols into the ideas. If they two have a common field of reference, the receiver's understanding of message will be closer of what the sender intended. Actually, that means sender should always have to take a good progress in the communication process. Then comes the receiver's function, that is called attending the message, interpreting and evaluating it, storing and recalling and responding. The response that can be in a conscious way, that can be in the unconscious way also. That is called seeing behavior like that. When a feedback is got by the sender, the cycle of communication is complete and the process is finished. Now, second part of the question comes, that is called brain drain is a factor in the process of communication. What is the meaning of the brain drain? Brain drain is a distortion of the message. That is message break ho jana. Okay, whenever we are doing the communication, sometimes message has been broken. That is called the brain drain. Now, where the brain drain occurs? Brain drain occurs in the three places. First of all, it is called the sender side. Whenever sender is passing the communication, in the brain drain has been occurred, like sender passes incomplete communication, sender doesn't explain the communication due to emotion, sender neglects the communication. Coming to the second part, that is whenever we are using the channel, that is called due to technical problem, unable to understand non-verbal communication due to improper coding, improper working of the channel. Okay, and finally last comes, that is the receiver side. Receiver is unable to understand sender's information. Sender sends unsolicited communication due to absent-mindedness, due to emotion in mind, and due to poor vocabulary. Brain drain has been occurred. So today we have studied brain drain and process of communication. Okay, thank you.